Hello, beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat, and you're watching Plan a Cobb. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to Cobb and plan a Cobber life. Now, in this video, I'm super excited. First of all, I need to apologize, my friends. I am currently sick. It's been a month. It's been a month, and I'm just in really rough shape, so I apologize for my appearance. It's first thing in the morning, and I wanted to get this video out to you folks today because I don't know how long my voice is gonna last for. But bad voice aside, I am super excited to be filming this video today. This is a collaboration, a huge collaboration with one of my favorites, and that's Tamra from the Paper and Pen Girl. She has invited me to do this collab, and I am so honored and excited to be, excuse me, we have to edit some of these things out, honey. But I'm so excited to be collabing with her and fine group of fabulous planner folks as we talk about the topic of the year, which is tips on changing planner systems. And if there's one thing I've learned from 2024 is changing planner systems is a thing. It does happen, and something that I'm going to be carrying onward and upward in 2025, this coming year. You can do the same as well. Check out the fabulous peeps and their wonderful planner tip. I would humbly give my own advice on changing planner systems. Beside me here, I have my morning basket filled with all my morning basket essentials that I use to get myself planned and squared up for today. But I would have to say perhaps my biggest tip in changing planner systems, and this is something I've had to learn in 2023 and in 2024 this year, and that is do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. I think a lot of times in the planner community, there's always this fear. And I talked a lot about it on my channel, whether it's FOMO, fear of missing out, or fear of not having what everybody else has, or fear of not knowing, fear of not having the nicest handwriting, fear of not being the best, fear. There's just so much fear when it comes to planning in general, just fear of screwing things up, fear of not doing a good job, fear of making a mistake. So much fear. And so one of the biggest tips I've learned from changing planner systems over time has really been about not being afraid to change. Change is good. And sometimes, for myself, I talked about this on a previous video. I had the Passionate Penny Plancher Planner. I loved it. I thought it was the planner that I was going to use this year, and it was fabulous. And I spent some coin on it too. I spent some change, and I was a little bit, disappointed that it didn't work, and I was afraid to switch out of it. And I actually switched into my notebook planner because I just couldn't, it wasn't working for me. And I was so afraid to do that. What would people think? What would my husband think? Because I spent so much money on it. And what happens if I don't like a notebook and I've wasted not only the penny pincher, but the notebook as well. And I was just wrapping myself up in all of this fear for no reason at all. And my tip for you, friends, is do not be afraid to change it up. Do not be afraid to let go of something that's not serving you purpose. Don't be afraid to let go of something that's not working for you in an effort to find something that does. And I know so much in the planner community, we're so afraid to, kind of venture out what's out there and check to see what's going to work for us. I think we do spend a lot of time, looking at things from another person's lens without really considering our own, if that makes any sense. So what is your lifestyle like? How do you plan? Where do you plan? And what are you planning? Those things are really important for your planning because it's you, it's your life, and you are the one who's doing the planning. You're the one who's planning for your life, if that makes any sense. So I always say, planning, there's no one size fits all with planning. Planning is discovery, it's finding things out, it's learning, it's growing, and it's really discovering what works for you. And so don't be afraid to make those changes. Don't be afraid to go on that journey, and don't be afraid to learn and discover what works for you. So when it comes to changing planner system, don't be afraid to, switch it up and figure out whether it's, going to a notebook. I have some notebook planners here. I love switching into those. My tried and true Sterling Carbon planner. I've switched those up. I have other things here as well. Even like some of my old tried and true Happy planners. I love the Happy planner. Feel free to test out a couple of planners and see which one works for you. But don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to test things out. And don't be afraid if something doesn't work for you. Just dust yourself off, try again until you find what works for you. So there you have it, my friends. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that I was able to pass on some knowledge. If you don't remember anything from this video other than my editing out my coughing, be afraid. There we go. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid to change your planner system. Do not be afraid to try something new, and don't be afraid to plan the way you want, because that's what planning is all about. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. And don't forget to check out those wonderful folks. They are listed in the playlist below. So thank you so much to Tamra for organizing and inviting me. I feel so honored and so blessed to be asked to be a part of this. I feel so humble, and I'm so grateful. Thank you for your patience, everyone, and thank you for inviting me to share my tips with you today. So there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps. Happy holidays.